Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how do I use my CapCut for my daily. Okay, so here let's open the CapCut application first. So actually I use CapCut mostly every day for several editing. It's just like according to what I need. Sometimes I do a video editing, but sometimes I do a photo editing too. So today I would like to share the tutorial how do I use the CapCut for editing my photo. Okay, for example, this photo I want to add into the project first. I want to have a animated text into this photo. So in the end, this photo will be in a video format or in a video form. First, I want to type a several information related into my photo that I have on my project. For example, a caffeine supply. Okay, so I would like to type word to word. So I want to type the first word, which is a caveat, and I want to styling this typewriting by going to the style and back into the font to exploring the fonts that probably match with my picture. You just need to explore the fonts that provide by the the CapCut. Okay, for example, this one, and I want to do a styling by going to the style and choose several a color or a design that provided by the CapCut too. Okay, I want to make it like a little bit contrast like that. Okay, and after you're done, I was also sometimes adjusting the size. I want to make it a little bit bigger, but it's too big, I think. Okay, just need to drag into the right side to make it bigger and into the left side to make it smaller, guys. You can also drag it. Okay, and after you're done, probably I will go with the glow. No. Okay, so first word is done. For the second words, I would like to do a copy paste for the first word by click the typewriting of the text and then just slide into the left side the features in this bottom side and then just click copy, and now you already have the second text that you copied from the first text. You just need to drag it into the different positions, and after that do a double tap into the text to activate the text and then do a editing. For the second word, I would like to do a supply, and I want to have a different style but in the same font. Okay, so I want to do an animation for each text. Just need to go into the animations and choose the animation that provided by the CapCut too. Okay, first for the first text is already chosen, and then for the next just do the same, go the animations and then looking for the animation that you want. Okay, I think it's good, and after we satisfy with everything, just need to go check it. Okay, I want to make it like fast for the caffeine, so just click the caffeine, go into the animation, and then you can like drag this into the left side. Okay, drag into the left side to adjusting the time how the effect will be applied into the text. Okay, I think it's going faster. Okay, and that's all the way how we do or how I use my CapCut for editing. That's all the way how do I use the CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.